how to link your YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter links and Linktree. So let's get started. So if you already make a Linktree account, so how to add YouTube links, Facebook links, and Instagram. So I will look, this is a small icon add. You look at this as I already add my YouTube links. So click save. So if you add a new links, so you click this. So this list a plus icon and you add a section. If you have a thread account, Instagram, email, Facebook, X, primarily Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, and WhatsApp chain, Snapchat, and Endzone, Android store, so Apple Store, every. So if you I have for example I had YouTube, you already add a YouTube link. So if you add this one, so click this one Instagram and paste your links. So if you add and add, so look at this. If any customer are landing your Linktree shop, so they look like this. This is my Linktree links I provided for my own WhatsApp or practices for clients. So look at this. This is my Linktree links. So look at this. I provide only one YouTube links. If any customer lending just like this, see, this is a influencer who provide many video and YouTube. And TikTok, if any customer want to buy this product, so they click this Linktree links and they are coming in here Linktree shop. So this is the Linktree shop he provide, and from this links. So how? So look at this. I click this is my own Linktree links back. If I need uh, customer interest my YouTube channel, so they click this links and that directly linking in my YouTube channel. So look at this is directly this link is a link in my YouTube channel. So this is the easy way you can create linked multiple links in your Linktree account. Thank you very much.